Hi, my name is Cindy Mogus, and I work for the Louisville Library. Today, I thought since it's so close to Easter, we would make a sheep corner bookmark, and it should look something like this when we're done. Okay, now the materials you're going to need for this project is a plain piece of paper, a sheep head. Now I chose one with a face on it because all I had is white paper, but you can use a construction paper of any color and make your own face with googly eyes or whatever you choose. And then also you'll need 2 sheep legs. And then besides that, you'll need scissors and stick glue. Okay, now first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it into a triangle and cut off the excess paper. So we have a triangle. Now we're going to take and put the long side towards us, and we're going to take the right side and we're going to fold it up to the top, and we're going to take the left side, fold it up to the top, so we have something that looks like this. Okay, now we're going to unfold it, and we're going to take the top one piece of the paper and fold it down to the middle. Okay, so we have something that looks like this. Okay, now we're going to take our right side and we're going to tuck it in. Okay, like that. And we're going to take our left side and we're going to tuck it in. Yeah, if it'll let us here. Tuck it in. So we have something that looks like this. Now we're going to take our top and we're going to tuck it in. But let's put a crease in it first. And tuck it in. So we have a triangle. Okay, now we're going to take and we're going to cut this triangle into cloud shapes. Now don't forget that we have to leave the top part. You've got to have some of it left in order to not fall apart. So what I do is I just cut little triangles out of it. Leave some space in between so that there's... Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and shape this. Make it round. And we're going to do that to the other side. Make our little round here. Leave space so we have cut our little triangles. Round everything out. Okay, now same on the bottom. Little triangles. Okay, so we have something that looks like this. Okay, but I think it's a little bit long myself, so I'm going to just kind of make this a little bit small on that side and make it a little bit smaller on this side. Round it out. Okay, so now we have something that looks like this. Okay, now we're going to take our sheep head, we're going to put some glue on the back of it. We're going to attach it to our cloud. Something like this. Okay, now we're going to open up our cloud. We're going to attach, put glue on just the end of this leg. Oops, wrong side. This side of his leg. Same side with the print. And we're going to give him one leg. And we're going to give him another leg. So he looks like this. And that is your corner bookmark. And then he just fits onto the corner of a book, just like so. And there you have it, your corner bookmark. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and I look forward to doing another one with you. Thanks for joining me. Bye.